everyone, this is a portable Delta leader hair removal machine. 808 nanometer is a golden standard for hair removal. This machine is produced by Oriental Laser. Oriental Laser is professional for Delta laser mounting, assemble, and machine produce. Now let's see details. This is a 10.4-inch color touch screen. This is the key switch, and this emergency switch. This is a handpiece connector. This is a handpiece, and the holder installed on this level. Horizontal level. Let's see the handpiece. It's golden material. It's best for cooling, and this spot size 11 by 11 millimeters. And now we see the back. You can see 6 fans for cooling. And here the water inlet, water spout, and water drain. And this is the foot pedal, and here the electric power connector. When do treatment, you can control laser output by the handle switch or the foot pedal. If by foot pedal, touch it like this. And before treatment, we should add water to the machine. Connect water tube first, and also to water spout. When water is full, it will be spilled. And add water. You should add 5 or 6 bottles purity water. Now the inside of water is full. You can see water spilled here. And this knob press this knob makes the water tube out. And now ready for treatment. Before the treatment, put the cooling gel on the skin and then turn on machine. Now you can see the welcome interface. Touch the welcome and then go to the treatment mode. There are now 3 modes: hair removal, fast hair removal, and skin rejuvenation. Now we start from hair removal. Now go to next interface. Here you can see skin type. You can choose skin type and gender, and also the treatment part. Different parts. And then choose arm for lady. Okay. And then here you can see all the parameters: skin type, body area, gender, and also water temperature, flow rate, total shows. All the shows here. On the center, the parameter for the power. You can set to adjust the power, frequency. Okay. ready. And then you need to adjust the skin cooling for the spot set cooling. And then treatment. Then we back to next mode. Stand by first and back to last page. Choose fast hair remove mode. In this interface, there are 5 grids for fluence. You can just choose one. Ready again, and then also skin cooling. For treatment, back to interface. Ready and back to last page to choose last mode, skin rejuvenation. For skin rejuvenation, for different power, there are 3 grids to choose: soft, comfortable, and effective. You can choose ready and also skin cooling. Also in this interface, the water temperature, flow rate, total shoes also shows. So now, okay, finish, back, and then